Hi guys, it's Burp here and welcome to today's exclusive video report. Starting off with the weekly time frame, what we can clearly observe is, of course, that we have not still broken out outside of this 2021 range bound movement, which is defined by the between the extreme lows and extreme highs of the movement, with several fake outs occurring somewhere on the way on both extremes of the range bound movement. And well, you can really just still I think keep it in the context still in the back of your head that we are somewhere in the very middle, 50% region of the entire corrective movement, right? Corrective movement because sideways is a form of a flat pattern. Flat pattern the way that Elliott wave practitioners would refer to it this way. But more importantly, it is a corrective wave. It is an interruption in the overall, primary direction, which is of course upwards, right? We have not seen any sort of tiniest invalidation of the bull market, so there is no reason to assume that we are in a bear market or that we have escaped the bull market. Okay, we are still in a bull market because clearly that upwards trend and the primary upwards trend, which is a bull market by definition, it is a sequence of ascending highs and lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? So if you think about it, we had a high at $65,000, then we had a low 28,800. Now then we had a high $69,000, which is a higher high compared with the May highs or the April highs, if you will, and then $33,000 lows. Okay, so we are having a clean sequence of the high, low, higher high, and high low as of now. Here we are looking, as you know, at a very promising bullish setup in terms of the current time frame trailer, which initiated the bullish breakthrough ever since breakout occurred through $40,000, $40,365 to be exact. If you remember the prior current time frame trailer stop, which gave the invalidation to the prior lasting 3-month downwards correction. Okay, so right now bulls in practice have the upper hand, and they do have the upper hand as long as we trade above 40496. I do believe that this is the level that Bitcoin needs to hold on a 12-hour time frame. It means that you can see some flash crashes beneath that, and as long as it keeps closing above this level, the bulls manage to continue holding the upper hand. Okay, lose this level with an ugly daily close or mid-daily close to start with, not needless to say weekly close to. This is a clean invalidation and loss of control from the bullish side in favor of the bears. But right now we can clearly notice, like I said, that bulls are having the upper hand. Bulls are in control locally, despite this local corrective movement, of course, which defines, this local range between the extreme high of approximately 45,000, 4,500, something like that, and the lows at around 41,500, something like of these terms, $4,000 region, if you will, somehow brings also the range bound movement, right? So we have the horizontal alignment right now, horizontal direction, right? The market is flat as of now. We are just hovering between set and fixed levels, like I mentioned, and until we break out, either way to the upside or to the downside with a break beneath current time frame trailer, only then we could expect certain more explosive movements. Until that happens, we keep hovering over the current time frame trailer. We keep switching and swinging back and forth between the roof and the ground and the floor of this movement. And finally, an hourly chart, same rules. You can tell that the most of the price action is right now happening, somewhere between a very, very narrow range of approximately $1,500, something like that. And we are playing, the stable tennis ping pong between 41611 and 44840. A clean break above this level could indicate to further upwards increase in the direction of the $50,000 given by 200-day moving average or 50-week average at approximately $48,000 to $50,000 region supply. Otherwise, we are just going to continue swinging between local highs and 41,611. Hope you enjoyed that. God bless. Stay safe.